All right, I got senior Ethan, junior Gary. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're doing a video on Mikan Drill as far as making layups. So first thing I want y'all to do is I want y'all to work on the Mikan Drill. It's just going up, coming back down, keeping it up high. All right, now when we do this, a lot of times I try to have guys do it, trying to do 10 in a row or 20 in a row. All right, let me see if you can do 10 in a row. Now let's see if you can do 20 in a row by keeping it up high, not dropping the ball. All right, ready? Go, you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, keep it up high. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so he did it to perfection. Now we're gonna see what it looks like for a left-handed guard to be able to do the Mikan Drill. Can you do 20? Let's go, 20. 1, 2, lock in. 3, 4, 5. And a lot of times the way Ethan is elevating and jumping straight up and down, that's what we want guys to concentrate on the layup. I tell a lot of guys you have to shoot from your legs. Shoot from your legs. Because if your arms start burning, try not to bring it down. You got to be able to shoot from your legs. Jump and explode. Jump and explode. Make 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so the Mikan Drill is a drill that it should be a good warm-up drill that you guys can do for about 5 minutes each time. Now, Gary, I want you to do the Mikan Drill coming up under. Now, what this is gonna do, this gonna build up to us playing on the other side of the hoop, back and forth, but you gotta master this one. You coming up, same thing. You gotta try to jump with your legs. All right, I'm gonna get it. All right, I'm gonna try with this side. Jump with your legs. Jump with your legs. Jump with your legs. Keep it up high, jump with your legs. All right, y'all demonstrate. Go ahead. Give me 10 in a row, up under. 1. Yeah, come on, lock in. Woo, jumping with our legs. Let's go, jump. 1, 2, come on, Mikan Drill. Mikan Drill, come on. 1, get that leg up. 2, come on, give me a rhythm, give me a rhythm. Give me a rhythm. Other leg, there you go. 1, 2, there you go, jump. 3, 4, try to eliminate the flick. He's kind of flicking it a little bit. Try to jump and drop it, jump and drop. Jump and drop. Good, make 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, come on, Ethan, let's go. Jump and drop. 1. Come on, you gotta jump, you gotta jump, you gotta jump. Don't spin it, just jump and drop it. Jump and drop it. Jump and drop it. Come on, jump and drop it. Jump and drop it. Try not to spin it. That spin is gonna make it fling off. See how it's rotating around in the hoop? You play that glass, there you go. Jump and drop. Jump and drop. Jump and drop. Jump and drop, there you go. Jump and drop, make 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, finish, make 3 in a row. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 in a row? All right, it's 3 in a row, all right.